Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how I made this fast charger for three 18650 batteries step by step. Previously, I made this single cell charger and also this double cell charger. Why not make a 3-cell charger? So, let's get started. I'm going to use IP2312 lithium ion charging module which has maximum 3 ampere of charging current. So I can use three 18650 batteries connected in parallel to charge all of them at a time. I will use this holder, so I decided to put everything in one PCB. I drew this schematic on Easy EDA and then I converted it to a PCB design. After I was done checking the design, I went to JLCPCB website. There I uploaded my Gerber file and I placed my PCB order at a very low price. JLCPCB is the leading PCB manufacturer for the reliable and high quality PCB. For just $2 you can get 1 to 8 layers PCB. Visit the link in the description to get $30 discount coupon on 6 layers PCB. I got my design PCB few days later. This is my first PCB with black masking. I think they look really good. The white silk layer is very clear and the surface finish is top notch. As you see, there are very small SMD components to be soldered. So I start by placing bigger components first and soldered them by my hand. Eventually, I soldered every small components by hand, which I will not show you because the video will be very long. Anyway, after soldering, I cleaned the board with isopropyl alcohol. I connect the USB cable for the first test and it is working. I'm happy that my design did not explode. Then I quickly checked the output voltage with my multimeter and it was okay. You can set the charging current according to the R4 resistor value shown here. Also, you can set the full charge voltage by changing R6 resistor value according to the battery type you are going to use. Now, let's move on adding the battery holder to the PCB. Okay, till now the general setup is complete. I will make an enclosure of PVC to give it a nice look. I will also add this battery level indicator because I like to use it in many projects. The charger is almost complete. After sanding the whole thing, I painted the body to give it a professional look. Overall, the charger is now complete and it looks pretty decent to me. Now, let's put some batteries in and test it. All of the batteries were completely charged within an hour and the charger did not get hot at all. Please tell me what you think about this video. I'm working on other projects, so more videos are coming soon. Subscribe and stay tuned. Bye.